Welcome to our guide on setting custom ringtones on your Android device in 2025. Let's explore the easy steps you can follow to make your phone truly yours. First, we need to access the ringtone settings. Go to Settings and then tap on Sound to find all your options. Now, let's choose and download some custom ringtones. Numerous apps offer thousands of options. Find what suits your style. Once you've downloaded your ringtones, transfer them to your device via USB or cloud storage. To set a custom ringtone, open your file manager, locate the downloaded ringtone, and select it. Easy as that. For a broader selection, consider using dedicated ringtone apps. They frequently have unique and trendy options. Want different ringtones for your friends? Assign custom tones by finding their contact and selecting ringtone. If you're facing issues, check volume levels, make sure the ringtone format is compatible, and ensure it's not silenced. And that's it. Now you can enjoy personalized ringtones and enhance your Android experience. Happy customizing!